Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this fast tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your FTMO account to MetaTrader 5 MT5 in just 1 minute. Let's get straight to it. Step 1. Open the FTMO welcome email. After you pass your FTMO challenge or verification, you'll receive an email with your MT5 login credentials. This includes your login number, password, server name, and platform type, MT5. Step 2. Launch MetaTrader 5s. Open your MT5 platform on your desktop or mobile device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the official website or your app store. Step 3. Go to File and click Login to Trade Account. In the desktop version, click File at the top left, then choose Login to Trade Account. On mobile, tap Settings, New Account, Login to Existing Account. Step 4. Enter your FTMO login details. Now, input the login number, password, and select the correct server name as provided in the FTMO email. For example, FTMO Demo, FTMO Live, etc. Step 5. Tap or click Login. Once everything is entered correctly, tap Login. You'll now be connected to your FTMO account and ready to trade. Tip: always double-check the server name. Choosing the wrong one will block your connection. That's it. You've now connected your FTMO account to MT5 in just 1 minute. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick trading tutorials. Thanks for watching.